Hello, Miss McLaughlin here. I want to show you how to use the card catalog. So if you go to our Mann Library Canvas page, you will see several buttons here, and there's one that says card catalog. And it's going to take you to our card catalog. And our card catalog, you can search different things. So if you know the name of the book you want to search, you can type in Harry Potter, and it will find the name of that book. It'll find all the Harry Potter books we have available. And you can go into a book, you can look and see whether or not we have that book available, and it'll tell you what genre it's in. So this one is a fantasy book, and it looks like we have two of them. If it were checked out, it would say due, and then it would have a date there, and then you would know that it's checked out right now. The other way you can search is by author. So if you know an author's name, let's say you want to find Kwame Alexander, then you can type in that author's name, and it's going to find all the Kwame Alexander books that we have available. So you can then, like I said, go in, you can look and see what we have, and it shows that we have two of those available. If you don't know exactly what you want, but you know that you want to read about volcanoes, you can type in a subject, and you can also see what we have available on volcanoes. And you can see, oh, those look interesting. And then you can pick the one you're interested in. And then again, it'll show you this is a nonfiction book. And so you're going to know over here, it's in the 500s in the nonfiction section. So that's how you use our card catalog.